The TVs have been playing up a little bit on the farm, so I'm going to go see what's happened to the aerial. We've lost BBC 1, BBC 2, the ITV channels have stayed on, but there's something going on. So I'm climbing up this hill to where our aerial is. Because we're in a valley, the transmitter is somewhere way up over there. So our aerial that does all the tellies on the farm is way up this hill. So yeah, this is the TV aerial. It's a little bit rusted. The brackets are gone. So that's the TV aerial. So I think we better put a new one up. That's what sea salt does to anything metal in this area. Brackets are completely gone. So for a 20 plus year old aerial, it's not done too bad. Luckily, down there is Mr. T, who's currently building the new aerial for us. So here comes Mr. T with the new aerial.
That's a long work, man.
Let me take that from you.
Thank you. Got it?
I've got it. It's a little bit muddy up here, so just watch your footing.
Oh dear.
I've just lifted that off there. That was just resting on those brackets there.
Right. Oh. Wrong size.
That's what you do when you haven't got the right size spanner.
Correct. And you leave it exactly where it is. Thank you very much.
So why is this aerial a lot shorter than the old one?
Well, we don't need, with the modern aerials, we don't actually need as big an aerial as we used to, because the design's better and they're more efficient design.
And you just lost your nut.
And I've just lost my nut, which is really handy. Dee 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 dee. La da 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 da. Dee 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 dee. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da.
I think they've gone further down.
Would you believe it? Oh, get another one there. Would you believe it? Never mind. Oh. Right, let's give it a test.
So what is it you're doing at the moment?
I'm just centering the. You watch until the signal drops down, and you recenter where the signal is strongest. So essentially, we're going up to that finally finds the right channel. Round again. There we go. So what I'm looking for is the strongest signal, like there. Is the strongest point on the top there. That's it. And we lock off the aerial at that. There we go. Reconnect the amplifier. This end. The amplifier is there. And we'll get back to some decent cable. And reconnect. Making sure we've got nice clean metal. The aerial cable. Okay. Put the weatherproofer on. And a new connector. Make sure that's nice and clean inside. And then that. That's the aerial. And tighten that up. Make sure that covers the so it's waterproof and all done. There you go.
So of course the proof is going to be on the tellies, so
It is, yes.
let's go down and look at one of our tellies and see what we've got.
Okay.
And that's all coming from over there somewhere, which is the Barmouth repeater transmitter. So now we've got to get down this rather precarious hillside, which is a little bit wet.
Just a touch.
And I'm thinking part of the reason, not just because of rain, this is our main water pipe here, and I can just hear a leak. So this is going to be another job we've got to do on the farm. Possibly changing the connectors, because this is our main water supply from the stream that we're on. And it's a little bit wet down here. So you can see what Mr. T looks like these days. And this is the new 18 van, in case you're wondering.
We can do anything in here.
Well, as you say, we love it when a plan comes together.
We do. And let's hope it does.
Yeah, we just got to find another nut now, apart from the two that are here, and go back up there and fit another one. Because the other one's lost.
Like that, for instance.
There we go.
And there it is.
Back we go up the hill just because Mr. T dropped his nuts.
Done. Voila. Okay. And down we go.
Again. So to give you some idea of how this cable gets to the tellies in the premises, we've got this cable that runs all the way down here, runs along this fence line, underneath the tarmac road there. The cable runs into the shed there, through this shed. Somewhere in there is a distribution amplifier that splits it off to various places like the farmhouse and some of the other premises. And then we've got this cable across here which runs the main power cable into this part of the building, and also the TV aerial cable, which then runs along here, and this one goes into Millhouse. So we'll try out this telly and see if it's working, and if it's not, it means we've got to go back up the bloody hill again.
Oh, joy of joys.
And yes, we have television, BBC One, BBC Two, ITV. Can't keep these on for too long because we'll get a copyright strike. Channel 4, no, S4C we get here in Wales on 4. 5, Channel 5, and so it goes on. So it's all working.
Perfect.